Hi, it's Dr. Laura here. And if your mind is feeling really scattered here at the end of the year, it's not that you're doing something wrong. It's probably that your nervous system is just overloaded, overtaxed, stressed. Okay, and when we get in that, then we go into survival processing. And you can't find solutions, fix problems, think clearly. So instead we're going to calm down because that restores our access to those abilities. Let's pause and inhale slowly through your nose. Now even slower, exhale through your mouth. The long exhale activates your vagus nerve, parasympathetic nervous system, and improves neural coherence. This is how you return to yourself. Thank you and namaste.